is amazing weather in my Nani's home. See how pleasant. And the kite.
ऐसे दे दो, हाँ जी, खड़ी करके।
हाँ Life is the treadmill. Oh, a boat gently down the street. Kite is flying, kite is flying, kite is flying, up in the sky, high up in the sky. Let's see the kite. Hello, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am at my grandma's home for summer holidays. In my background, there is big mango trees. There are many mango trees. This is the tree of papayas. These small papayas. Mint leaves. These are mint leaves. See, these are roses and many other flowers like these yellow ones, white, and now I will show you ladyfinger plant. See, there are two yellow flowers and in it there are many ladyfingers. See, a big one, a small one, and many small. See, this is the bottle gourd plant. This is a banana plant. See, many big leaves. These are also in South Indian to eat food. Now I will show you chili plant. See, this is a long chili, green. Now I will show you chili plants. See, this is a long chili, green chili. And here it's two. There are many. See, four chilies. And here two. See, these are different kind of beans plant. There are many flowers too. See, beautiful flowers and some ants. Now I will show you how to calculate the age of a tree with the inch tape. See, this is a guava tree and this is one more bottle grass tree. Let's see the age of this guava tree. First we will take 0 inch from this back side of the tree and like this. See, calculate the age of the tree. Let's see. The age of this tree is 18 years old. This is a lemon tree. See, small lemon. This is the guava tree. See, many guavas are in there. This is the guava tree. Now I will take you inside my grandma's home. Now I'll show you lemon tree. See, many lemons are there on this tree. These lemons will lie in some days. Now I'll show you guava tree. There are many guavas on this tree. These also will ripen some days. This is yellow plant. This is the medicinal plant. Now I will show you bitter gourd plant. See, many yellow flowers are there, 2 flowers. And see the seeds of bitter gourd. Small bitter gourd, see. This is curry patta and the seeds of it. These small are seeds of it. topic. Enjoy your vacation. Stay home, stay safe, take care. See you later.